Hey guys, thanks for joining Mr. Ceramics page. Today I'm working on another Suburban that it looks like somebody's taped on the hood, on the paint, and they've left a heavy residue. If you watch my other video, you'll see the last one, they actually took sandpaper to it and tried removing it with sandpaper. So there are a few different ways to remove this glue. What I'm using here is a lacquer thinner and a microfiber rag. And then I'm just gonna start working the adhesive slowly and in circular motion. Start working that off, make sure that I get all the adhesive residues off before I start my polish process. You can see it has etched in the paint pretty good, which is gonna need some heavy polishing. But what that's doing is removing the leftover adhesive that was on there. So that's actually how bad it etched the paint. So adhesive is removed from that one, go on to the next, and so on and so on. So stay tuned to watch how I polish out these adhesive marks. Alright guys, so I have now removed all the leftover adhesive. You can hear it's rubbing across real smoothly. I've applied some Modesto Stage 2. Just remove the glue residue on this, and that's the way Enterprise works. They want something done, you do what they want, they pay you the bills. Now you see I switched over to my rupees, random orbital. Going back over, I set the pad up to a green. The other buffer was my force action rotary flex. Really digging deep with that hard cut. Alright, so there we go. I've hit my normal 2-stage that I show you guys that I do. I know it's unorthodox and some people are going, why is he doing that? And you know, I've just been in the game for a long time, folks, so I don't like wasting time. And let's go ahead and check the results on this glue residue. Now keep in mind, this is a rental car. They're wanting it better, where the next guy renting it's not walking up and seeing a bunch of glue. So yeah, that looks good for a single stage. Looks really good for a single stage. There we go. I'll hit one more layer with a Modesto 3 and my other rupees with the black pad on it. And then hit these other spots with the Stage 2. And we're good to go. Oh, hey, startled me there. Didn't realize you were still watching. Just finished up this adhesive removal for Enterprise rental car. Got it all taken care of, and now it's ready to head down the road with the next rental car customer. So thanks for tuning in at Mr. Ceramic at DavisFamily Shines.